Hey guys, first of all, thank you so much for checking out our video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel because we are adding more and more videos. The more you like and subscribe, the more we will add. Pay-per-click advertising, how to set up an effective campaign. Pay-per-click is a good way to bring visitors to your website, but only if you know what you are doing. Otherwise, it can be a huge waste of your money and time. Pay-per-click or cost-per-click advertising is essentially an auction of keywords. More on that later. Where you bid against other advertisers in order to have your advertisements shown to the most internet users. This is usually based on what an individual user is searching for on one of the search engines. This is why you have Google pay-per-click advertising with AdWords and Bing pay-per-click advertising using their platform. There are other pay-per-click programs out there, but these two are just fine for our introduction into pay-per-click advertisements. Let's start by setting our goals. For our pay-per-click program, are we just trying to get visitors to a landing page, or are we trying to build overall brand awareness? It does make a difference what your goals are in pay-per-click marketing promotion, especially as you design your online advertisements and landing pages or websites. Once you know what your goals are and have your landing page or website set up for your pay-per-click advertising program, you can work on setting a budget for your advertisement campaign. Your budget will go a long way to determining the visitors you get to your website. We recommend starting slow. You want to test a number of advertisements, keywords, and landing pages to determine what gives you the best results in your pay-per-click program. We talk more about that later. For now, just remember your initial budget to pay-per-click does not have to be your final budget. The next thing you need to know is what keywords to focus on. This is a huge and easily as important as your advertisements itself and your landing page. Choosing the right keywords can also have a major impact on your budget, as some keywords are much more expensive than others. We like keywords that are not heavily bid on, so we can keep our cost per click down and highly target the traffic we want to drive to our website. Use a keyword search program. This is about the only way to know for sure how many times a keyword or a phrase is searched for. Yes, you could just enter in a bunch of words into your pay-per-click program and wait to see what the bids are. This will give you an idea of how popular individual keywords are, but there is a better and faster way. Below in the description, we have provided you with a link to a great keyword program we use. The link will let you do some free keyword researches, so check it out. When it comes to your actual advertisement, you need an attention-grabbing headline. So for your pay-per-click internet marketing campaign, you can use your keyword searches for this, but another way is to see what your competition is actually doing. This is especially useful if you are just starting your marketing campaign. Search for the product or service that you are selling and see what advertisements come up. Keep in mind, just because they come up does not mean they are good. You need to see which ones would get you to click on them. These may be the best pay-per-click programs. You can start by using these advertisements to build your ad headlines, but don't copy them word for word. You can also get an idea on what to put in the pay-per-click advertisements copy by seeing what your competition is focusing on. Again, don't just copy them. You need to create at least 3 different advertisements for your initial campaign. This will help you when it comes to refining your pay-per-click program later by seeing which ones get the most clicks and conversions. Your landing page is really important. This is what is responsible for your actual conversions. If possible, use different landing pages to see which one performs better. You can see what your competition is doing here also if it helps. Again, don't just copy them, stand out. There is a lot that goes into a successful landing page. We are not going into that in this blog, but we'll discuss it on our website. So a link to our website is in the description below. Now, all you have to do is evaluate the performance of your keywords, pay-per-click advertisements, and landing pages. Over time, you will get an idea of what is working and what is not. Once you know what is giving you the best click-throughs and conversions, you can ramp up your budget and hopefully watch the sales come in. If you are not getting conversions, then don't increase your budget. If this happens, you may need to go back to the drawing board with your advertisements, keywords, and landing pages, or you may have to take a hard look at the product or service you are trying to sell. Don't just throw your money at your pay-per-click program if it's not working. We recommend starting with Bing pay-per-click advertising. They seem to have a little cheaper keywords as compared to the Google pay-per-click advertising program. There is a lot more to learn about pay-per-click advertising, internet marketing, and building a web-based business in general. If you want to know more and get access to our free training videos, check out the link below in our description. There is a lot of knowledge out there, and our program has put it all together for you on one website for your convenience. Good luck and keep marketing!